Alright, so next step is I'm going to start insulating the pipes. The way I'm going to do that is I've got thermal exhaust wrap, so I'm going to go around the pipes in that first, and then after that I'm going to utilise some leftover underfloor insulation that I've got here. So I'm hoping I can make that last, and I'll cut it into strips and I'll wrap it around the pipe. And then after I've done that, I'll also utilise some floor protector wrap that I've got here, and I'll use that to hold it all together. So yeah, let's see how we go. Alright, so I've made the pipes up now. I'm just going to start pulling through the insulated pipes, through the ducts down there, under the ground down there. Then they're going to come up under here, they're going to go around there, then they're going to come up in here, go underneath that, and then down the side of the fence all the way down. So just quickly here, I've upgraded the motor. I've now got a 60 kg per centimetre motor. It looks a lot more solid, feels a lot more solid. So I'm going to swap out the original 35 kg per centimetre motor here and put this one in, and I'll get on with the rest of it. Yeah, so another thing I've had to do here is the whole frame was actually bending when it was when the motor was turning. So I've had to actually make up a custom frame just a bit stronger. This here was actually bending and twisting the gear off of the gear wheel. So it's now going to be a lot more solid. I'm just going to go out there now and mount it and test it and see how it goes. So a bit of a solution to a problem here. What was happening was, when the pressure was getting quite strong, the motor here was actually bending the enclosure like that and popping itself off the gear. So what I've gone and done is I've attached a bit of channel to this. I'm going to secure that to the ground, and that'll hold this enclosure nice and solid, and hopefully that should stop that happening. What I've got here, it's an extra thing I've also decided to do. I had a bit of this left over. It's a waterproof membrane that you paint underneath your tiles to seal wet areas in your house. I decided I'd paint a bit of that all over everything just for a bit of extra waterproofness.